Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Tales from a Scorpion. If you are new here, please subscribe. What are you waiting for? If you are returning, thanks for tuning in. Y'all, guess what? I know I'm supposed to be doing a podcast. Not today. Today's Friday. Guess what we're doing? We're doing a thing. We're going camping. Now, I don't know what's getting into me because I do not like the outdoors. And I'm always wanting to go outside. Like, nature just be calling me.
Just be calling me, man. Be calling me, man. I just gotta go.
So, y'all sit tight. Come along for a ride. And let's go camping. About to do a thing. We are going camping. Oh, I can't believe it. We're going camping again. This is the second time, but this time it's not as hot as it was before. I don't even like outside. I don't even know why the wilderness just keep calling me. It keeps calling me. Okay. Y'all coming along for the ride, and we'll check you at the campsite. Y'all, we are outside. I don't know why I'm outside. I don't even like outside, but nevertheless, I'm out here. I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see where I'm at. And there go Dale. So y'all, we are at Sweetwater in Lithia Spring, and it's telling us that we need to please place tent camping receipts on this board prior to occupying the site. Ain't nobody told us nothing, okay? I ain't printed out a thing. So I don't know how we gonna print that or put that up there. Anyway, we are in walk-in tent site 1 through 5, and we are in number 4. And as if you can see, we're about to do some things out here in these trees. There go the water. So we have to walk through there. And this is our stuff, y'all. This is the gear. We are ready to start camping. Let's get it. Y'all, we out here in the trees for real. I should put my sneakers on. Wrong turn.
I'm gonna take care.
And what I don't do is heels. I gonna be losing weight today. Y'all, look at this. Woo. And our car is back down there. And again, we are at Sweetwater Park in Lithia Springs. Okay, so we are on gravel. We are on gravel. We are in the trees. We might see Bigfoot tonight. And This little spot looks very cozy. And there's our wood that Dale was so upset about. Boom. They put trash in our fire pit, and I guess they expect us to clean it out. Y'all, we have a massive tent. A massive tent. The Ozark Trail tent. And it sleeps up to 12 people. But in our case, it sleeps up to 3 comfortably. Or 4, maybe even 4.
Just give me 3.5 minutes, maybe even 4.
This is what the back door looks like. But we are going to turn it around.
father and his own father. And Granddad told me one time his father didn't speak a word to him, and they never had a conversation until I was about 10 years old. And he said, get in the truck, we're gonna go hunt. And so he wanted to prove something too. He wanted to be successful.
He played.
Almost look like Bigfoot in there. Yeah, that's a nice fire. Good morning. Coffee time.
But we got a legend in the building. It's okay to call you that, right?
We ate breakfast, and now it is time to relax.
I ain't seen you in a minute, not in person.
I know, it's been a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've been working.
The
COVID happened.
tent is completely destroyed.
I'm amazing. Thank you. How are you?
You still doing the MMA and all that?
Absolutely, every day. Yeah.
You wake up
Overall, it is a wonderful
I have like a
experience.
routine, so I go to the gym.
Y'all gotta
5
come
days
out
a
and try
week.
it.
I do martial arts as
Get
well.
out
So I'm like
and get into
lifting,
nature.
martial arts, and I do hot yoga 3 times a week. So I'll get up.